welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in again. First of all, I want to thank you all for 100 subscribers to our channel. Thanks a lot. It's really great to see that some of you are really interested in joining us on our adventure in renovating this old house. So we really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for that. If you haven't subscribed yet, just feel encouraged to hit the little subscriber button and maybe also activate the little bell so you can get notifications when we upload new videos. So in today's video, we're gonna go back into the attic, and as you have maybe seen in the last one, we took out all the old stuff and we figured out we had to redo the roof, which happened now. So now we're gonna have a look at the flooring, and I'll be busy in the downstairs to take a bit more of the plaster off. So enjoy the video. So here we start with the electrics. And I'm allowed to spray on where the plug points and the light switches are supposed to go. These are apparently signs for plug points. Here I go again, Plaster and me. That's gonna be my friend for the next few months. We're concentrating on the upstairs for now because there's still quite a lot of stuff to do downstairs. Taking the old plaster off and filling the holes back up and everything. This was really interesting in the hallway, by the way. There was like 17 layers of different colors, because they didn't take the old color off, they just repainted it, so it was really hard to get it all off. Yeah, so we got a lot of building material and we put it in the downstairs future living room, which pretty much took up all the space we had. As you can see, this is all supposed to go in the roof and be there for the insulation and the wooden planks you can see over there. This is going to be the flooring. So yeah, we got it all and put it down there. Ran out of space, so now we have to tackle the attic.
And there she is, my mom, always having an eye on the construction and controlling if everything goes according to her plan. So during the renovations, she pretty much right from the beginning became the nickname Construction Inspection, because she always has a look if everything goes according to her plan. And yeah, she keeps an eye on my dad, so he does things right, hopefully. Actually, she doesn't really have a clue what she's talking about, but she has watched my dad quite a lot of times to renovate things, so she thinks she knows what she's talking about. That's why she just comes along every now and then and has a look if everything goes well.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song, running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand, the way I am is not what it seems, tangled up in dreams. I'm tired in oh so many ways, been gone for 7 days. I don't know why I can't explain, my heart delivers pain, and I got nothing more to say. I'm just bored in every way. I don't know where I wanna go, but I swear to let you know, I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand, the way I am.
By the way, my dad is putting a newspaper from that actual day under the floors, because we really love finding time capsules in old houses. So when we're renovating it now, we will also put time capsules in the house wherever we can. Yeah, so this newspaper is the first little time capsule we put into the house. So if in 100 years or in 50 years someone wants to renovate this house, he or she will find a lot of evidence from the previous owners, us.
Shaky grounds. You could never understand, the way I am is not what it seems, tangled up in dreams.
Wow, a huge step forward in the upstairs. So this was really a good job, and it already feels way comfier. It's not so shaky anymore when you walk over the floor. So it's all really firm now, at least in the back bit. The front bit will still have to wait a little bit longer until we're finished with the insulation so far. And yeah, that's gonna come in the next weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more from our renovations project, then we are really happy if you would subscribe to the channel, activate the little bell so you get notifications about new videos, and if you like the video, then leave us a thumbs up, and we're also really happy to hear from you in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you next week, bye bye!